So both of these examples are calculating percent concentration. So let's just start with what the formula is. Percent concentration is amount of solute, or the thing that gets dissolved, over the amount of solution, or the total, the solvent plus the solute, and then you times it by 100, which is how any percent is found. A fraction times 100 will equal a percent. And so in this case, we know that salt is the solute, the thing that gets dissolved, and we're in 500 milliliters of saline solution. Notice how I just said amount of solute and amount of solution, not mass or things like that, because this is interchangeable, and this is what these two examples try to show. So in this case, percent C will be the amount of solute, which in this case is NaCl, and it's 50 grams. And we'll divide that by the amount of saline solution, which is 500 milliliters this time. So it's not necessarily a volume or a mass. It can be either one, doesn't matter. And then we times that by 100 to get a percent. And so when we divide 50 by 500, we get 0.1, and we times that by 100, we get 10%. Now, to show that this is a mass and a volume, you might write M over V to indicate that's a 10% mass by volume solution. In the second example, it's going to be the same formula. Concentration of SLAT should be salt water. If 75 grams of NaCl is used to create 300 grams of saline solution. So it doesn't matter that the other one was a volume. We'd simply put 75 grams over, in this case, 300 grams of solution, which is the total, times 100. And we get 0.25 times 100, which then equals 25%. And in this case, we would say mass over mass. You might see on commercial products W over W, which means weight over weight. If you look on your toothpaste, sometimes shampoo and other things like that will have, your percent fluoride will be given in weight over weight, which just means we're talking about the mass of the fluoride to the mass of your toothpaste as opposed to the volume of the toothpaste.